Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the best books for IELTS preparation.
The best books for IELTS. Today I will try to include the links below in the description and you can easily download the PDF file of the books. There are 3 simple tips, I can say warnings that you have to know. The first, the books and preparation materials you use are less important than study schedule, motivation and learning techniques, which means you don't have to spend too much time on choosing and looking for the proper book. Just get the official one and make your own study schedule and just follow it. Second one, reading books will not improve your IELTS skills. You have to practice tasks that improve the skills you need in the real exam. You have to do the practice as well, given in the books. Choose a few books and then aim to fully understand the content. Then finish the book, go back to the start and do it again. Fully understanding one book is much better than going through or partially understanding 10 or more books. So focus one and finish it fully. Here are some books that I recommend to read. First, before starting IELTS, you have to increase your grammar and your vocabulary. Vocabulary for IELTS and grammar for IELTS. They are both actually scheduled to fulfill the requirements of IELTS. Finish them first, then here are collocations, English collocations in use intermediate and advanced. You can use one here according to your level. They're all actually given with examples how to use the words and usages as well. And writing skills, IELTS Advantage. This book is actually for those who have recently started. It covers task 1 and task 2 with samples. Actually, you can find clear explanations in this book. And after finishing this one, I recommend to read IELTS Journal, task 1 and task 2. They are full of good sample essays and reports. You know, in order to increase your writing skills, you need to read more samples. You need to learn the way of describing your own opinions and giving some information. Here, preparation starts. Preparation and explanation for practice. Complete IELTS 1, 2, and 3. The first one is actually for B1 level students, like around 4 to 5. And the second one is actually bands 5 to 6.5. And third one is actually bands 6.5 to 7.5. These books actually give information about how to solve and how to increase your skills in each section with practices. Here are the practices. Cambridge English IELTS Trainer 1 and IELTS Trainer 2. Both are official. They have got actually both 6 full tests. And you can easily do your preparation for the IELTS with them. Here, quite popular books as you can see. The first one, the official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. Both actually come from Cambridge English. And the first one includes full explanation and the ways how to improve your skills in each section, and 8 full academic tests and 2 general tests as well. And the second one, Cambridge Academic 1 to 16 so far. We are waiting for the 17. Each book is actually has got 4 full practices with some explanations like according to the assessment criteria. And it's a very good book to practice before taking your IELTS. And here, I highly recommend to read Common Mistakes at IELTS Intermediate before taking your IELTS. This book actually teaches you how to avoid mistakes. As soon as you open this book, you will definitely notice that where you are making some mistakes. It covers listening, reading, writing, speaking, and grammar and vocabulary. Please finish it before taking your IELTS. Okay, here I would like to give some suggestions for using IELTS books. First, when doing practice tests, try to use paper copies of the questions and answer sheets, as this is similar to real exam materials. Then you can easily feel the real atmosphere. I thoroughly recommend to do the exercise on the real exam condition with time management as well. Second one, try to complete each book that you use. Getting bored and changing books will not help you achieve your IELTS goals. So, what I mean here, I know reading books somehow tedious, but you mustn't actually change books quite often. Just pick up one and read it fully. Try to understand full contents. All books are actually useful, but it really depends how to use them.
So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the button like. Thank you very much.